Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dean, and today we'll be painting this Artec NightHawk bumper. This will be a part of two series. The first part will be sanding, priming, and painting the bumper, let it dry, and the next video will be installing it. This will be going on Ryan's Jeep 2020 Jeep JL. This is going to take a little time. It's a little windy today and hot out. We'll see if we get this done. So let's go ahead and get this project started. Hey guys, today we'll be using the Montana Big Sky painting system. We're using our black primer. So it's a primer with a catalyst, which is a hardener with a reducer. This is the spec sheet on it. Over here is the actual paint that we'll be painting the bumper. This again is by Big Sky. This is a acrylic enamel single stage. The paint is called black metallic. Again, it's got its own hardener. We have our measuring cups here. I always write down what the mixing ratio needs to be. One's for primer, one's for the paint. A couple respirators, just some lacquer thinner. I got some strainers around here somewhere. So we're gonna go ahead and start mixing paint. All right guys, we're gonna first do the primer. This is a black primer since we're painting the bumper black. We're gonna mix this. This is 4 parts paint, 1 part thinner or reducer, and 1 part hardener. So we're going to look at our little chart here, and we're going to look for 4 to 1. Right here's 4 to 1, so we're going to put in that much from this to the bottom to here will be primer. Then the second one's going to be reducer, and then we're not going to do 10%, but we're going to do this other one here, which will be for the hardener. We'll mix it up and put it in the primer gun. Shake, shake, shake it, shake, shake, shake it. Take a screwdriver or just a punch holes in there. That way the paint will drain back into the bucket. So we're going to go ahead and measure this. One. One part reducer. And if you want to, you can mix this if you're looking for a high build primer. We're just looking for normal. So you could not put as much reducer in there, and then the primer would build more. To do more block sanding and working out waves and so forth. And then we're going to take it up to here. There we go. Just gonna mix this up real good. Again, this is just for the primer. second coat on now. Okay, so now we're going to wet sand this bumper. So we're just using 220, and I'm using a flat. So we're just trying to sand any of the imperfections or it's a little rust on the primer. When we did it this morning, it was pretty warm out. But, sander, Ryan's just using a cod. Okay, Ryan's wet sanding the bumper done. All I do is trying to knock off any hard edges. Okay, then once we're done wet sanding, we'll go ahead and dry it off. We're gonna wash it real good and get all the sludge off of it. And we'll go ahead and start painting it. As we're getting ready to do the paint for the bumper, we're gonna go ahead and use the Montana Big Sky. This is the Seagull Black Metallic. We're gonna use 8 parts of paint to 1 part of hardener to 2 parts of reducer. So I already opened this up. Go ahead and find my scale. Right about there. Again, like I said, I like to put punch holes in these. That way the paint drips back down. Okay, we're going to use 1 part of catalyst or the hardener. That's not what I wanted, but we'll make it work. 8. One. And then the reducer. There you go. Kind of see the metallic in there. It's the only stir stick I have. We're going to go ahead and stir this up. You can kind of see what that's going to look like. Again, this is a single stage, so there'll be no clear coat.
there. Good. Okay, there's the first coat. See how it looks like. So far it's looking pretty good. It's got a nice metallic to it. All right, we'll go ahead and let this flash off for a little while and we'll put another coat on it. All right, guys, this finishes up the bumper. Again, this is an Artec NightHawk for Jeep JL. Came out good. They look a lot better in the sunlight, but it's still a little tacky. So this will conclude this video. Part 2 will be us installing it on Ryan's JL. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.